Perfect invite, no, huh?
What? I'm bad luck now or what? Oh shit. Dude, don't fucking do that. My nose looks big. Alright guys, good afternoon. Today's Tuesday, Monday. It's been it's
Today, Junior. Yo, what is up, everyone? How you guys doing? So I'm here with the boys. Here with Monzo.
Hi.
Here with Jerry.
What up?
And we're actually gonna finish off the last part of the brakes, the brake pads, because you know American Muscle be fucking up. Took us, what was it, 3 weeks to get our full order fixed?
Yeah, basically almost a month.
Almost a month. So yeah, so we just need to finish the rears.
Well, I love the company. I still care about the company. They're okay, but I don't know.
Some fucking trash ass company. Horrible quality control. But whatever. So we're just gonna finish the brake pads on this guy on the rear, and then next week we're gonna get new tires for this car. And we're just waiting for what are we waiting for? Sergio? SRT Hellcat 714?
No, it's not SRT. It's not Hellcat no more.
No, what is it?
It's SRT Hella Pussy.
Hella.
Oh, he put that?
No.
All right, so yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today.
No,
so
like that's
I'll see you guys in a bit.
his name on my phone.
You doing?
I'm gonna try bring them back to life.
So what he's gonna do is he's gonna try to clean up the wheels. Tires are all roasted, so we're getting new ones next week. He's gonna try to clean these guys up, see how good he can do. Yo.
He's coming already.
Huh?
He's coming.
All right. So what are you doing, lubing? Yeah. Something you never use?
I try to do. Pretty fun.
Forgot you need lube and Viagra, right?
Mm-hmm. And a little bit of spit. And some alcohol. Hey, look, I'll show you some. So you see, get some of this. Turn around.
Oh yeah.
Why not?
I'm not an expert like you.
You're not at that level yet?
Nah, dude.
Come on.
Hey, you don't want them to watch your fucking scandalous ass brake shit? Yeah.
Over here watching videos. Avoid them.
took the win, right?
Fuck yeah. Took the dub.
Took the dub, but no payday though. They didn't want to pay up.
They want to pay up.
You're missing one.
So, okay, I'm gonna email this guy back. That way I just have it set so I can take it.
Yeah, just be like, hey, well, what do I need to go E85?
Well, he told me already I have to do the booster pump, the injectors. I know the injectors are gonna run me like 4,000.
Ask him what he means by fucking pin the cam. Yeah, it said pin the cam.
PCM?
No, pin the cam, it said. Pin the crank or something like that.
Isn't that twisting the fucking pulley?
Hmm?
Doesn't that have to do with the pulley?
No, that's why I was like, fuck, pin the cam? Did he go straight to work or what?
No, I don't
For like an hour? But he hasn't even slept, huh? Did he sleep on the working or what?
Like an hour maybe. If you want to run E85, it's more than just a pulley change. You'll need injectors, fluid booster pump, and then pinning the crank.
Yeah, pinning the crank is the...
I'm thinking that's a pulley. Cause with another dude at the house, he's like, if they fucking tighten it. What was that?
SRT Hellcat 714 for the win.
Who's that?
I might take this one to race him.
Man, what are you, man 5.0?
Yeah.
Follow him.
Nah, I don't post shit.
You good? Hey, you're gonna go off the curve. Alright, just like that, we're all done. We finished the brakes on this guy. We cleaned the tires. I don't know if you can tell. We cleaned the tires on this. We changed out Sergio's wheels. And yeah, so we're done for today. I'll see you guys next time. Next thing we're going to do is, like I said earlier, is we're going to get new tires. I'm going to go with Federals. Those are the tires that I'm going to go with. But until next time, alright, I'll see you guys later. Lates.